Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to Task Manager always on top Windows 11. To start, open the Task Manager from the Start menu. There, click on the Settings icon located at the bottom. After that, in the Window Management field, check the box, Always in Top. Now, when you open any window, you will see that the Task Manager is still visible. Access Settings again to disable the option, Always in Top. You can see that now when another window is opened, the manager will not be visible. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.